Hi, my name is Carolyn Dee Flores, and I'm an author and an illustrator of over 17 picture books for children. The thing is, I am also the RA for SCBWI Southwest Texas. And so we are having a webinar coming up this Saturday on the nuts and bolts of children's illustration. And I hope you guys can come out and be part of it. The thing is, when I first started illustrating, I was fortunate enough to have SCBWI and some other organizations provide me with the resources I needed to start working professionally in this field. But it would have been nice if there had been some place where I could have gotten a lot of this information all at once, an overview. And so that's exactly what we put together. We'll be covering picture book dummies. That's me, because I absolutely love picture book dummies. We also have Laura Susan Thomas, who is the IC from California for SCBWI, one of the best character drawers I've ever seen, and a former Disney Imagineer, covering Photoshop and Procreate. We have Sheli Petersen, covering portfolio and web presence. She gave the best webinar I've ever seen on portfolio, so you don't want to miss that. And we have Rachelle Meyers, who's going to be coming in live from Amsterdam on sketching and drawing, because she does the best videos on sketching and drawing I've ever seen. We have them all in one place, and we have them for you. So if you can take advantage of this, I really wish you would. It's coming up Saturday, and it will all be recorded.